What's up, guys? Today I want to show you one of the hottest listings that we have here in Antioch, and I'm really excited to share this one with you. As you can see, we have an old brick house with a 2-car garage that is going to be located at 3549 Mountain Ridge View Drive here in Antioch. It's a great property, and I'm really excited to show you what it looks like inside. So let's come check it out. You can see this is a brick house. It's in great condition. It was built in 2005, and it has a really nice curb appeal. It has a nice, gorgeous front porch. As you can see, there's plenty of space for your imagination. You can have your chairs here and enjoy your morning coffee with your family when it's warmer than now in Nashville. Let's go on a tour. And ready for it? Let's do this. Check out this beautiful gorgeous floors, hardwood floors. You know, it's not just some laminate or vinyl. It's real hardwood floors. Beautiful layout, open space, high ceilings, and it doesn't have a lot of furniture right now, so you know, I got plenty of space, plenty of room for your imagination. You can put a lot of things here and make it your own. Let's look at the kitchen, and I really like it because it's kind of separate from the living room, and I see a lot of people actually like it more because you know, have some separation. So you have a kitchen eating space right here, and you have your kitchen here, and then you have your living room. Here we have a really big dining table that can fit up to 6 people, so you can see there's plenty of space here if you have a big family. The kitchen comes with almost new appliances that are only a few years old, and it has beautiful floors. Look at these floors. They actually put these floors in to match the cabinets and to set up this nice thing in the kitchen, as you can see it now. There's a nice stainless steel appliances. Like I already said, they're only about 2 years old. Now let's look at, again, my favorite bedroom, which is the master bedroom and master bath. Again, beautiful room, has 3 ceilings. Ceilings also pretty high in this home, which is great. It makes it more spacious. Bathroom is also fantastic because not only do you have a shower, but you have a separate tub where you can take a bath and relax after the hard working day. There's a walk-in closet, plenty of space here. And as you can see, we have a tub and a shower. Follow me now, I'm going to show you 2 other bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms here on the first level. As you can see, we have 2 bedrooms on that level and the master on the right, so they are separate. You guys want some privacy. We give you privacy. Okay, we have 2 bedrooms here. One is on the right and another on the left. It's a pretty spacious room. As you see, we have a table and a bed and a dresser. So plenty of space here. And this room is also pretty spacious. There was a bed before, but one of the family members moved out, so it's empty now. We have just a big dresser, and you can put in a bed and you can make it your own. Now I want to show you the biggest room in the house, which is the bonus room. You're gonna love this room. It's just so huge. And by the way, it can be a master, it could be an in-law suite if you wanted it to be, because it has a double closet, right? All carpet in the home is new, was changed just about a year ago. Look at this room! You can have a party here, you can have another room in here if you wanted to, somebody would get lucky. It doesn't have double closet. It can be whatever you want to be, so. Plenty of space. This house definitely not lacking closet space. As you can see, closet number 1, and here we go, closet number 2, and there are plenty of space here. So yes, let's go. Laundry room is going to be on the right side, right after you walk into the home. And we have a two-car garage. And let's take a quick look on the backyard. Do have a little friend there, but don't worry, he is awesome. This is another one of the owners of the house, so we're not gonna go there because he will mess up my dress. But as you can see, hopefully we can see from the window. Yeah, you can see from the window the backyard is pretty spacious, and it's all fenced in backyard. Bye, baby. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching the tour. It was Lisa, the founder and CEO of Chorus Group with Keller Williams. Feel free to, yeah, we almost finished. Feel free to call us at 615-260-2964 if you have any questions. And I would recommend getting and take a look at this home before it's goes off the market because we expect multiple offers. And come see us at our open house this coming Sunday between 12 and 4 p.m. See you guys in the next one. Bye.